Okay, so we're gonna disconnect this battery to change the starter on this baby. Starter's all there on this. It's all from the bottom, and we got power as we turn the key into this small cable. So starter's not clicking, and that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so usually it's not like this. Starter's from the bottom. This is gonna be easy for you guys to see. So it's a 14 millimeter here and 14 in the bottom. And it's a 12 right here. I took out the connector, so all you do is push this in and you pull the connector. Usually I do the starter from the bottom. So we got a 14 millimeter right here. We're gonna take off this top bolt and then we'll go down. There you go, super tight. Yeah. Usually you can get both of these bolts from the bottom or use a swivel from this end. Just remove the battery. And what we're gonna do is, once it's loose, you should be able to turn this baby by hand. Just like that. Okay, there you go. Here it comes. Scion XA, easy starter, 10-minute job. There you go. We're gonna save this so you don't misplace it. I'm gonna need a 12 millimeter now. So this is a 12 millimeter. So you gotta open this up, okay? You gotta open this cover up. And all you do is you push these tabs from back there and it opens up. And what you wanna do now is, remember to disconnect your battery. Like we got everything off because we're working on other things. And this guy comes off. And 12 millimeter here. You're probably gonna have a new nut with the starter. All this can be seen from the bottom. There you go. So the guy will save it right there. It's okay. This cable come off. Remember, this cable is live hot power from the battery. Okay. So the starter is naked. It's gonna come down from the bottom. Okay. Okay. So on the starter, it has a bolt on the bottom here, which is pretty long and tight. It's gonna take me a good 10 minutes to get this guy out. So once you get this bolt off, your starter should just come down. So we get the bolt all the way out. My friend here is gonna grab the bolt. The starter just fell to the side because I was working on it. Okay, there you go. The bolt and the starter comes out together just like that. There you go. Scion XA gets a new starter. And we're gonna reuse the bolts. And that's it. Okay, we got a new starter. Grab the bolt. Okay, I'm gonna put this thing in handily, and we got ourselves a new bolt right there. We're gonna put that in right now also. So the harness, I'm gonna just push up as we get the starter in there. So this should be super easy. And my friend here is gonna put the bolt in right there for me right now. I'm gonna smack that bolt in right there, right here, and grab the starter. I'm gonna just turn the bolt. Okay, there you go. I caught a few threads and we're gonna let it go. Okay, so I snugged this bolt a bit. Remember, I was telling you guys, you could get this other bolt from right here. You could just get it in there. The camera might not see, but it can all be done from right here. But it'd be more easier from the top. There you go. But you could put a swivel from this end straight in. You could do it that way, and bada bing, bada boom. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lock up this bolt. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tighten up this bolt. I did get the other one in, and it's snugged in, so I'm gonna tighten that from the top. But everything can be done from right here. We're gonna get this baby all the way in. Nice and tight till it locks in. Goes right through the transmission. There you go. All right, so I'm gonna put the two cables in and the connector, and then we're all set. And make sure you tighten up the bolt.